The conjunctiva is a thin mucous membrane that lines the anterior aspect of the eye, and then it wraps around to line the posterior side of the upper lid as well as the lower lid. So the contact lens is supposed to be sitting comfortably on the cornea, but let's say it gets dislodged and goes superiorly. I can feel like the contact lens went behind the eye, but because of this cul-de-sac called the fornix, you have a superior fornix as well as an inferior fornix, there's actually a dead end. So there's only so far that the contact lens can go, even though it feels like it went behind the eye, it actually didn't. So a contact lens can't literally go behind the eye. Yeah, that was a big sigh of relief when I realized that as well. But if a contact lens gets off the cornea and it gets stuck, if it tears into pieces and one goes superiorly, the other goes inferiorly, it can be really uncomfortable. How to remove a contact lens is another video that's popping up on the screen right now where I go through many different tips on how to remove a stuck contact lens. By the way, have you ever had a contact lens that got stuck? If you have, tell me about what happened in the comments section. Why does it seem like it happens at like the worst times? Like why during an exam? Any, many, mighty, I can't see.